The writing of books is an excruciatingly difficult enterprise. It is not easy to focus one's intelligence and go about the business of stringing words together, one by one, thousands at a time, until a full-fledged, well-executed book emerges. So writes Marie Arana in The Writing Life, Writers on How They Think and Work. But if she's right that writing a book is so hard, how does anyone do it? There is no one way to approach the writing of a book. There is no magic formula. Someone can teach you to formulate a good sentence. Someone can teach you to do the legwork, build evidence, fashion persuasive arguments, connect the dots. Literally my job, so good to know it's possible to do. But she's right. There is no magic formula. The fundamentals of writing, even the fundamentals of storytelling, can be taught, learned, practiced, and improved upon. But there's no one technique or process or system that any writer can apply to reliably produce a book every time. It's a highly individual endeavor. So how do those individuals who do it learn to do what they do? Per Aranya, writers learn their craft above all from the work of other writers, from reading. They learn it from immersing themselves in books. They do not learn it from classrooms or workshops or manuals. They cannot be programmed to perform. It is, in essence, lonely work. Isolation is what they must learn to savor. Come what may, they must go to their desks alone. Ouch. I feel like I'm being punched in the profession here as an English and creative writing teacher. But she's not wrong. I do share Aranya's perspective that no amount of study or work in the field could prepare me for facing the page alone. You can work as an editor, a critic, a writing teacher, all of that, and still not learn to actually write. So while the techniques of the craft can be taught, the actual act and ultimately the art of writing can only be acquired through direct personal experience with words. In other words, your own reading and writing. Writers create themselves. They are pulled from potential to realization, discovered, not taught. This is my role as a writing teacher, to help my students bring out what's within. And in order for what you bring out to be any good, you must first provide good inputs, solid food for your creative soul. If you are willing to be led from within, if you are willing to allow your most rigorous teacher to be a clear, well-written page, perhaps you will discover the spark of a talent that was there all along. Of course, everyone's spark of talent is different. Every true writer writes only in his or her particular way. It is precisely because everyone does it differently that good writing is difficult to teach. You cannot capture it, manufacture it, pass it on. The good news is that there are so many ways to be a writer. So if you want to be a writer, if you want to write and maybe publish a book someday, or if you're already an active writer just going through a slump, get reading. Then get writing. Practice putting pen to paper on a regular basis. Reading and writing and reading and writing. Forget your critical brain while drafting, turn it off, and just let your creativity flow. But turn that critical brain back on when revising, because it'll help you to consciously evaluate how well you've been unconsciously applying the lessons you've been learning from your reading. Then, do it some more. Read, learn, write, revise, repeat. And make sure to live a bit in between. That, in essence, is the writing life. That's how writers develop their craft. Teachers, like yours truly, are here merely to help guide writers to their own self-discovery. If you found any of my guidance helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and consider becoming a member. You'll get early access to videos, member-exclusive content, other cool stuff, and you will be helping me to continue to make more and better videos. A million thanks to my first couple of members, these guys. You guys are awesome. You're helping me to stay alive. Click the join button next to my channel name below for more details about that. Either way, thanks so much for watching. What have you found helpful in developing or learning your own writing craft? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, good luck and good writing. Peace.